Let's see what's coming from Boxberg. And it's a power bank. It's strange that it's come from Boxberg because I didn't order it in Boxberg, but here it is. Let's open the power bank up and have a look. I often get asked about power banks, and there's a guy who does power banks. He's on my catalog and he does a great job. So I don't want to compete with him, but I'm always interested in, what can you get out there? Let's have a look. So, it's heavy, it's huge, it's definitely a power bank. All the details, okay, there is English. If I remember correctly, this was a 30 or 40,000 milliamp battery. Not much written on it. Let's put it into charge and have a look. Oh, there's a charger cable. Let's bring the USB and see what this looks like. We've got lots of ports. We have an on and off button, Type C, micro, lightning. I'm not sure if there's a differentiation between which one you put in to charge, but I would put it in the Type C because that's the cable it came with. And let's maybe switch it on. Maybe put the lights off. Let's see. It's a bit more visible here in the slide. 11.6 volts, 9 amps, and in is flashing, which means it's charging. And let's talk about the weight. Let's bring the scale in, disconnect, and put it on the scale. Let's have a look. 830 grams, that's quite heavy for a battery. So that's nearly a kilogram, this battery. I'll be testing it over the next few weeks and give you some feedback.